let's enjoy this great city of Madrid.
We explore the cathedral, Sabatini Gardens, look for secret cookies, and more. Well, good morning, everybody. This is our last full day in Spain and in Madrid. Tomorrow we'll be getting on a plane, heading home. Fun's got to end sometime, and reality's got to get back to reality, I guess. Last night we went a little bit around the tapas bars and stuff. We didn't actually have tapas. We actually stumbled across a really local place and had some really great sandwiches. And then we went over to Mercado San Miguel and had a little bit of vermouth, a sangria, and a couple of olives and things like that before we headed home. We thought we would get a good night's sleep and sleep in a little bit today. It's probably been the only day on our entire trip that we've actually slept in a little bit. And it's about 10:30 in the morning right now. We're getting ready to head out. Today we're going to find the nuns with the secret cookies. We're going to find them today. Then we're going over to El Rastro to check that out for a little bit. We'll probably do some tapas bars again. And then we'll probably end up just walking around, really. I know we want to go see the cathedral, a couple other little things that we want to, kind of wrap up our trip and see. But for the most part, we're just wandering and enjoying this great city. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Last night there were some thunderstorms. They were pretty wicked, but we had a great time anyway. It was insane yesterday. I think because of the holiday, everybody was out. Everybody was out. It was crazy. Whereas today, I think it's a Sunday. It'll be a little bit more relaxed and calm. But who knows what tonight will bring? It could be crazy again. The people of Madrid really know how to party. I'll just put it that way. They know how to have a good time. So I'll take you along today, show you everything we're doing, update you on our progress, and we're about to have a great last day in lovely Madrid. Okay guys, well we found the secret nun cookies. They're right here behind this door, and I'll show you the little sign here. So first, here's the sign. It's very small. It says hours venta de dulces, visit every day 9:30 till 1, and then 4:30 to 8:30. So 9:30 to 1, 4:30 to 8:30. However, we came across this sign today. There aren't sweets until Tuesday at 12 o'clock. Womp womp. We're going to be home at Tuesday at 12 o'clock, so no sweets for us from the nuns, but at least we found it. It was a bit of, I know once you go in here, there's a little bit more back and forth that you have to go through to get them, but just so you know, it's super easy to find from Mercado de San Miguel. It's easy to pass by this door. It's pretty nondescript, but the church is right down there where that lady's sitting, and then you just make a left or make a right, and it's right here on the left-hand side. So it's not even a half a block from the little church. So it's less than 5-minute walk from Mercado de San Miguel. So if you're in this area, come during those hours. Hopefully you'll be lucky and get the sweets. We weren't so lucky. All right, guys, welcome to El Rastro. It is one of the biggest flea markets in all of Europe. Definitely the biggest one in Madrid. You can find everything from absolute crap and stuff that is, mass produced to unique works of art. So you can do all of your souvenir shopping here, but they're only open on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So keep that in mind and plan your trip accordingly. It is a madhouse. It's super packed here. So make sure that you only bring minimal amount of money with you and minimal amount of things with you. Keep everything close by because it is a pickpocket's paradise as usual in any crowded area. But it's a really cool place to come and check out on a Sunday. We have a gorgeous day today. The weather is perfect for this kind of event. So we are shopping El Rastro. We just had our afternoon siesta here in Sabatini Gardens. It's right next to the Royal Palace. It's a great place to just lounge around and explore. Plenty of benches to hang out on, and all these cool little statues and mazes all around. It's a lot of families here. Beautiful afternoon here in the park. So a great place to just wander around and relax before hitting the night out on the town. Our last day in Madrid, I can't believe it, but look at how beautiful these gardens are. So if you're looking for a great place to just kind of relax after a whole afternoon of things, just come over and hang out here. From Madrid Barajas Airport. Unfortunately, our trip has come to an end, but the good news is now we get to explore the VIP lounges again. So we're in the Madrid airport right now, and in their lounge, they have several in every terminal. This one has a really nice spread of food, really comfortable chairs. Like, check this chair out. Oh, really nice, comfortable leather chair, outlets to plug your phones and everything, bathroom facilities, you name it. Probably the best part is the free food. Let's be real, because that way we didn't have to have breakfast when we left the Airbnb this morning. We knew we could come to the lounge and get coffee and breakfast here. The metro was very easy to navigate this morning. We had to add the supplement to go to the airport, because in Madrid the airport is outside of the center, out of zone 1, so you have to add a supplement, but it's only €3 per person for the supplement. But the train is around time, smooth. It was a little busy, but perfect departure and checkout of our Airbnb. We're so sad to go. I'll check up with you in Portugal, because we do have a layover there. We have about 3.5 hours in Portugal. But again, we get access to the VIP lounge, so it kind of makes it okay. And that lounge is a lot larger than the one we're in here. This one's, like I said, very nice, but it's just a little smaller. The VIP lounge in Portugal is huge and has a lot more food options. I mean, obviously we're here early, we're here for breakfast, so it is more breakfast items, pastries and things like that. And they have a good selection, but their stuff was more like freshly prepared in Portugal and made, like hot items and everything. So, but our Spain trip, how do I wrap it up? It was amazing. We saw so much stuff. Our feet, let me tell you, so sore. I have to elevate my feet because my poor ankles have given up on me. They've exploded into elephant size because of all the walking we did. But we just had a great trip, and I can't wait to go on our next adventure. I would love to return to Spain. You know, I say this about a lot of places we go, that I could live there. Madrid, I could definitely live in Madrid. So we'll see if that ever becomes a reality. But let's sign off for now, relax until our flight, and then I'll catch up with you when we land in Portugal. Be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can see where I go next.